Your story matters, especially if you're a mother. When my mother passed away at just 50, my heart was filled with questions that I couldn't silence. She had so many dreams, and driving her new car, learning music, exploring new skills, traveling, living slowly and peacefully. But she chose to put all that aside to be a full time mother for her three children. She did an incredible job, and when all of us turned 18, she finally believed it's her time now to explore life. But that's when life took her away. That changed everything for me forever. Why should a mother choose between job, family, and herself? Why can't she live her dreams while being present for her family? When I became a mother myself and experienced life from inside, I knew I couldn't repeat that story. That's when my book was born, Date with Fate. This is for every woman who believes it is just her circumstances that pauses all her dreams. That's when I promised myself I will love myself, I will live my dreams, I will experiment, fail, learn, and grow, and I will still be there for my family and for my children. But the truth, the journey wasn't easy. I faced hard ends, health challenges, and deep moments of exhaustion until I learned one powerful lesson. A mother already works many full time jobs, and for her to prioritize them and to live her dreams, all she needs is clarity, time, and most importantly, self belief. She cannot afford to give her best hours only to one job or only to the course or only for others and when she has this burning fire to explore her creativity and her true potential. So, what such mothers truly need is time freedom with financial stability to take those empowered actions in her life without guilt, without burnout, and without permissions. That's why I chose this online business that supports my personal growth learning curve, that gives me the time freedom where the financial flow becomes a cherry on the wedding cake. If you're a mother with quiet inner calling and to have a balanced life without burnout, then DM me balance and let's connect together. Bye.